Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Dalton. I'm the chiropractor at Seven Bridges Chiropractic. I'm going to take you through an adjustment today with Lauren, our office manager, just so you can see how we do things in our office, make it extra comfortable for when you come in to visit. So what every adjustment starts off with is we're going to do some kind of muscle work, whether it's your neck bothering you, your low back bothering you, your mid back. I know that Lauren deals with a little bit more upper back stuff, so we're going to kind of go through that first, and then you'll get to see an adjustment today. So techniques that we use in the office, muscle release wise, is going to be active release technique, cupping, and instrument assisted soft tissue work. We do a little bit of all of them. Primarily I focus with active release technique because it does have a lot of research to back it, and a lot of patients get a lot of relief from it. So here basically I'm pinning her muscle down and stretching across, helping break up some of those adhesions that have formed. We'll do the same thing to this opposite side. Lauren, what I want you to do on this one is reach your right arm to your left knee. Good. Try and reach it a little further. Good. And go ahead and bring that arm back. I'm going to do that one more time. Now go face up for me. So same thing here. I'm just going to use a little bit of coconut oil so I don't give her a little bit of a skin burn there. But I'm going to work through her neck muscles as well. And then we'll get to the good part, the pops and cracks. So here I'm just checking to see kind of how her motion is in each segment, and you're probably a little tender right there, you know. It's a little higher on this side.
Yeah.
Have you been having any headaches?
I have. On that right side.
Yeah. Lauren just got back from traveling, so when you travel, a lot of times you will end up with some kind of aches and pains just from sleeping in a new bed, using different pillows. I try to remind my patients to take their pillows with them. It's not that easy every time, so I'm always here to help fix them when they get back. Good. And then here, what I'm going to have you do is crisscross. Go ahead and take a big deep breath in. Let it all the way out. And one more. And then go ahead and go on your side facing me. And on the other side. And then go face down. I'm going to use the massage gun just to kind of help loosen up her low back, mid back area just a little bit more. Big deep breath in for me, Lauren. And let that all the way out. Awesome. You are good to come on up. How is that feeling?
Good.
Good. Awesome. All right, so that's a little bit what an adjustment looks like, especially if you're having more upper back, neck complaints. So I'll focus primarily on that with the muscle work. But if she was having more low back stuff, we would use the flexion distraction part of the table. I would do a lot more muscle work down in that area. So that's a little bit about kind of how our office works. We look forward to meeting you guys online. We would love if you would like, subscribe this video, and we'll be trying to bring you content every Wednesday.